Hello everyone. AmaZulu King Misizulu Kazwelithini's sympathizers believe that there was a hit list circulating targeting those who are seen to be his staunch supporters. They say law enforcement agencies should be roped in to conduct a threat analysis to curtail any possible assassination. The call emerged this week as the Zulu royal family were mourning what appeared to have been a planned hit on one of the senior royal family members and key confidant to the King Misizulu, Bongiseni Muntukapiwana Zulu, who was ambushed and shot dead. One of the royal insiders told the Sunday World that there's a general feeling in the royal house, especially among the princes and princesses, that intelligence on the ground should be activated to prevent any further assassinations. We are also of a view that a security threat analysis should be conducted to assess their level of safety. Another insider said apart from the death of Prince Mbongiseni, the other emerging issue that had caused anxiety among those close to the king was the assassins had to be caught. The source said there is a strong belief that there is a hit list, and with the killers still on the loose, who knows what they are up to. Hitmen don't rest until they find who are contracted to kill. I believe that we are not dealing with amateurs here, but professional killers who might not even be from this province or even in South Africa. So the threats are serious and we can't be casual about it because nobody knows who is next on their list. Dr. Zakir Shamase, a lecturer and contemporary history expert, has warned that while it should be convenient for anyone to associate the killings to the contentious throne, the feud could be motivated by who will succeed Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi in the powerful position of Undunankulu KwaZulu to the monarch and AmaZulu nation. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.